What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Yeislin and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be creating this look that I have going on today. So I'm just going to be focusing more on my eyes today. I'm not going to be doing my full face on camera, but I will post all my products down in the description box if you guys are interested on the products that I use. So for today's video, I'm going to be creating this fiery red orangey sunset kind of vibe going on my eyes, and I'm gonna go ahead and pair it with this nice orangey burnt lip. So I'm absolutely digging this look. I absolutely love how it looks. This is my first time playing with color like this, and I feel like my eyes are so dramatic, but it looks perfect with my makeup look that I have going on. And you guys, I absolutely love how it turned out. And if you guys also like what you're seeing, then just keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and did my base off camera. I did my foundation, my concealer, my bronzer, and my eyebrows. So I wanted the focus of this video to be the eyes, so that's what I'm gonna mostly record throughout this video. So for my eyes, I'm gonna be using the Saharan by Juvia's Place. You guys, I don't even know where I've been all this time. I just recently heard about this palette like 2 or 3 months ago, and I've just been hearing so many good things about the Juvia's Place palettes, and I don't know why I haven't heard about it. It's been around for I think like 2 years now. I guess I just been under the rock when it came to this palette, but I got it today, and actually I got it yesterday, and I'm so excited to play with it because it has all these beautiful colors in here, as you can see. And today I think I'm gonna go ahead and play with these two right here because I want to do like a fiery red look on my eye today, especially because it's summertime, and I think that look just looks so pretty. I've seen it going on Instagram, on Pinterest, and I just absolutely love how that look looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a look with these two. Maybe I'll play with the gold, but we'll see how it looks with these two. So to start off, I'm going to go ahead and start with the lid today. Usually you guys know I start with my transition color, but I want the focus to be more on the lid, and then I want it to create like a gradient effect on the crease. So I'm going to start with Socorro, which is right here, and I'm going to place this all over the lid. So I'm going to go ahead and use this brush for my lid, and I'm just going to start packing it on there. And I've heard so many good things about the pigmentation of this eyeshadow. So let's just see. Okay, I think. So it does pack on there, but it's not as intense with this brush. And then I'm just packing it on there because I want the shade to be very intense on the lid. So doing the packing motions helps keep that shade pretty intense. Oh, you guys, like look how intense the eye looks. Alright, I'm just gonna start buffing out the edges with the same brush to kind of create that gradient effect. Alright, so now that I went ahead and kind of finished the lid, I'll go back in just to fix it after I put in the transition shade. But for the transition shade, I'm gonna be using the orange right here, Jamila, I think it's called. Jamila, yeah, it's called Jamila. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that for the transition shade, just to kind of blend these two colors in to have that nice gradient effect. And I'm just gonna put it on very, very lightly. Alright, and I'm gonna be using my MAC 224 brush for the transition color. Now with a clean brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and just lightly blend these two colors together and diffuse the edges. And I'm kind of gonna drag the outer corner out just a little because I kind of want it to be very dramatic. I'm gonna go back in with the red just to intensify it just a little bit more on the lid. And for that, I'm gonna be using the Luxie 245 brush just to deepen the lid. That's definitely giving it more pigment. Alright, guys, and to give it like a little bit more pop, I'm gonna go ahead and add Wuraba, I don't know how to pronounce it, but this right here in the inner corner. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so moving on to my under eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and use the same shade I used for my lid on my lower lash line. And I kind of did this off camera. I forgot to turn the camera back on, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use the same shader brush that I used for my lid and just press that shade on my lower lash line really close to my waterline. Then with my R39, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Jamila, which is a transition color that I use, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that underneath the lash line, right below the first color. Whew. This is like such a dramatic eye. I think this is like the first time I've created such a dramatic and bold eye. Usually, I mean, I've created other colors like a smoky eye, but I feel like this is like the most brightest I've ever done, and I'm absolutely loving how it looks. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes off camera and then I'll be right back. So I went ahead and popped my lashes off camera. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to highlight. So for highlight, I received this in my BoxyCharm this month, and it is the Laurent Jelly Highlighter. So it feels really jelly, and I really like how it feels. I like the texture of the jelly highlighters. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Beauty Blender to add this to my cheekbones, the high ends of my cheekbones. That's really pretty. It's pretty subtle too, so you can't see it as much. So I might go over it with a powder highlight. No, actually I'm gonna keep it just like this. It's a like pretty champagne-y color. It kind of looks it looks like a little bit rose gold on me though. On the pan it looks more champagne, but on my skin it looks more rose gold. Alright, and so for my nose and my bridge, I'm just gonna use my finger. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight underneath my brow bone. You guys, this is definitely giving me like summer vibes. Yes. So to top this look off, I'm gonna go ahead and use Orange County for my lips, and this is like a burnt orange color, and I'm just gonna go all out. I'm just gonna go ahead and just look bright everywhere. My eyes are gonna be really bright. It's gonna be nice and bold, and my lips. So let's just go all out. Why not, right? Alright, you guys, so to top off the lips, I'm going to be using the Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Lemonade, and I got this in my BoxyCharm this month as well. Ooh, that's so pretty. Alright, you guys, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating it for you all. I absolutely love how this look turns out. It's like a fiery red, orangey sunset look. It just looks absolutely stunning. I absolutely love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have yet to subscribe, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button down below, or you can also hit it right here. The little face icon will pop up right there. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications. That way you guys won't miss out on any more of my videos. I will see you guys next time. Bye, loves. Mwah.